Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make your butt bigger with just these three ingredients. This is onions. This is a little size onions. You can use any size of your choice, but to avoid wasting your onions, you've got to use medium size like this. I have Colgate here. This is Colgate. You can use any other toothpaste of your choice, but in this DIY, I prefer Colgate. Then I have olive oil with me. You can use fish oil, but I prefer olive oil because olive oil to me is more natural. As I am going to prepare this, as I am going to show you guys how to prepare this, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Let's go. So the first thing you're supposed to do is to wash your onions. You have to wash your onions very well. The next thing is to divide the onions into two because I am not going to use all of this. Divide it into two. Then you have only this one with you. This is why I said you should use normal size onions, because using the bigger size would be a waste of onions. Then you remove the back of the onions just to make sure that your onions is very clean. So the next thing is to grate your onions. After grating your onions to be like this, see how smooth it is? Then you add your Colgate or any of that type of toothpaste that you have. Just add a little. Then you mix it. You have to mix it very well. Until you can no longer see the toothpaste. Can you see it? Then you add your olive oil. Add olive oil a little. Then you mix it again until you can no longer see the olive oil. Can you see it? You see there is no longer olive oil here. Then you massage it on your hips or your bum bum. This is how you massage it. Just touch it like this. You massage it. You have to apply the same quantity all over your bum bum. Same quantity. Have to massage it very well. Ensure that the quantity that you applied at your right hip is the same quantity you apply at your left hip, so that it will grow together. You have to massage it for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And after massaging it for close to 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. I have washed it off. See how smooth it's looking. I have washed it off. So what you've got to do is to take a little olive oil, just a little olive oil, a little. Apply it and use it to massage the same place. You have to do this every day for 7 days for you to get the most accurate result. Remember that when you are massaging the onions, the mixture, this onions mixture, you have to massage the same quantity all over your butt so that you have equal butts. And you have to do this every day for 7 days for you to get the required result. And after 7 days and you did not get this result, that means this is not good for you. Then you stop using it. But this is a very quick and easy way to get bigger hips. Okay, it is very natural. There is nothing artificial here. Everything is natural. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on your bell notification on my videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.